This is an exciting 30th episode of the Skillheaders Master Business Accounting Project, in which we will establish the advanced modern charts from the backend tables. Here are the key features of using charts and graphs for analysis in business accounting software. Transforms complex numerical data into easy-to-understand visuals for quicker analysis. Helps identify financial trends over time, such as sales growth, expense spikes, or seasonal variations. Interactive charts often update in real time, allowing for timely decision-making. Enhances financial reports with visuals that stakeholders can quickly grasp, even without accounting expertise. Monitors KPIs like cash flow and sales performance visually. Aids in predictive analysis by showing patterns that can inform future financial planning. Interactive charts engage users more than raw tables, improving data exploration and understanding. Let's jump into creating impactful visuals that transform your numbers into meaningful business insights.
Log in to the Master Business Accounting database. This is the analysis section, which will be made alive in this video from empty to this. Firstly, we have to add a field in the transaction table related to the base of the transaction. Next is to upgrade the code to add the data associated with each transaction of the folio. The field is not linked with the form yet. Add it temporarily. I am deleting the previous records and adding multiple records to the database. Let's create our first query. Start a query in Design View and add the transaction table. Add these fields to the query. Set the criteria to filter the customers and suppliers. Save the query with the name of Analysis 1. Only suppliers are visible. I think there is a spelling mistake in the criteria. Our first query is saved. Create the second query by adding the transaction table. In this query, set the criteria of general accounts. Move on to create the third query. Add the chart of accounts table. Add the account name and balance into the query fields and set the criteria to filter the customers and suppliers. Great. For the fourth query, select the ledger table and add these fields to the query. Here is some advanced and tricky formulation. Start the expression builder and convert the date format into a month. Set the criteria for the current month. Due to the PO balance credit side being negative, both the PO and invoice amounts should be in positive for the chart. We only require the invoice and PO amount. Good work. Both the invoice and PO amount for the current month is accomplished. This is the time to create the form for the business analysis with charts. Create a form in Design View and change the options from the form's control properties. Save the form with the name analysis. Copy the form's heading from the previous form. Start designing the header section. Draw a rectangle and a text box, and arrange the objects. Start the VBA code from the onCurrent event of the form. All the data will be based on the chart of accounts. Did you notice any issues? No? There is a serious problem. I will explain and rectify it later. It's time to embed our first chart related to debtors and creditors based on the first query. Select the clustered column chart from the modern chart options. Select the first query from the list. The values can be determined by units based on thousands or hundreds. I am selecting hundreds here. That is great work so far. Move on to create the second line chart for month-wise expenses. Select the second query from the list. Change the title, font color, and other elements. Time to create the third chart for the sales progress. Select the line chart, adjust the chart width and height, and this time select the invoice table from the list. Select the appropriate x-axis and y-axis elements. Change the title and the other format. You can also add the marker to the points in the chart. That's great work. Next is the pie chart for the account balances of the customers and suppliers. Select the third query from the list. Select the donut as the type of the pie chart. Move on to create the next pie chart. Select the fourth query from the list and select the appropriate elements. Well done. Did you expect such an advanced analysis and charts in the MS Access programming? Please comment in the comment box. I will wait for you. This is not finished yet. You can apply more advanced features to your charts in MS Access. It's time to integrate the analysis form with the main dashboard forms navigation. Our analysis section is integrated successfully, and that is awesome. You can specify the data label and the trending line in your chart. It's time to highlight the issue, which is in the header section data figures. 1101, 1102, 1103, and 1301 are the account numbers. not the balance amount. Let's correct this. Replace the lookup target field of all numeric figures. That is great and awesome looking analysis section of our master business accounting software. I am waiting for your valuable comments. See you in the next milestone of the skill header.